Welcome back. In this video, we are going to look at how we can perform operations on complex numbers. Okay, so before you can perform operations on complex numbers, first what you have to know is that I is equal to square root of -1. Okay, so if you know that I is equal to square root of -1, then it means that I squared is equal to -1. Okay, so we know this information. So let's try to perform this operation. So we have 2 minus 3i over 4 minus I, right? This, when it comes to normal mathematics, right? When you have something like this, what we call rationalization, we apply rationalization in here. So applying rationalization, you multiply bottom and top by the opposite of the denominator, right? So we're going to have 4 plus I over 4 plus I, right? We have this here. Okay, so this, we multiply the numerator, which is 2 minus 3i times 4 plus I, all over 4 minus I multiplied by 4 plus I, right? So we perform this operation. We have 2 times 4, that is 8. 2 times I, that is plus 2i. 2 times 4, that is 3 times 4, that is minus 12. Minus 12i. Minus 3i times I, that is minus 3i squared, all over 4 times 4, that is 16. 4 times I, that is plus 4i. Minus I times 4, that is minus 4i. Then minus I times I, that is minus I squared. Okay, so we have these informations. So now we can see that we have 8, right? 8 here. 8 minus 2i minus 12i, that becomes minus 10i. So we have minus 10i. Then we have minus 3i squared, all over 16 plus 4i minus 4i goes off, right? So we're going to have minus I squared. So this basically reduces to, we have 8 minus 10i minus 3 into, we know that I squared is -1, so we're going to have minus 1 here, all over 16 minus I squared is -1, so we're going to have into -1, right? So basically we reduce the information to 8 minus 10i plus 3, all over 16 minus minus, right? So we're going to plus 1, all over. So we're going to have 8 plus 3, that is 11, right? Minus 10i, all over 7, all over 17, right? So here, it seems like this number and this number want to fight. So let's try to separate them. So when we separate them, we're going to have 11 over 17 minus 10i over 17. So this result we have right here, this part is the real part, right? And this is the imaginary part. The imaginary part is where you have the complex number in the terms. So we have this information here now. So this becomes our final answer to this particular solution. If you like it, subscribe, share with your mate, comment, and I'll give you more updates. Bye-bye.